Good morning, students. Next we discuss about equations of motion proofs. In previous class we tell equations of motion, and in this class we discussed their proofs. Okay, and in this one first we prove first one v equal to u plus at. So where v final velocity, u initial velocity, a acceleration, and t is the time. Now we consider it is a starting point of the vehicle A and B is the ending point of the vehicle. Now from starting of A, the vehicle move with velocity u and its final velocity is v in a time t. Now the covering distance or displacement is s and it's moving with the acceleration a. This a is the uniform acceleration. A is the uniform acceleration. Now in this case we have to take equations of motion. So first one we prove v equal to u plus at. So we know that in this, what is acceleration? In this situation, what is the acceleration? So acceleration A equal to change in velocity by time. That is v minus u by t. V minus u by t. Now in this at equal to v minus u. At equal to v minus u. Therefore this v minus u equal to at, and in this v equal to u plus at. By using acceleration formula, we have to prove first equations of motion v equal to u plus at. Now we have to prove second one. Okay, so this is second one, s equal to ut plus of at square. In this one we have to take displacement s equal to ut plus of at square. Displacement, we know that what is displacement in this one. Okay, so in this two velocities are there, initial and final velocities. So the velocity v equal to distance by or displacement by time. Now displacement s equal to vt. This v is the average velocity between these two laps. So this s equal to vt, that is displacement equal to average, we write average velocity into time. Displacement s equal to average velocity into time. Average velocity into time. Average velocity into time. So this displacement s equal to average velocity is initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. That is mean value of u and v into time t. Time t. Now we have to write this one s equal to u plus v. V is the, we have to take u plus at. U plus at. So u plus v is the u plus at by 2 into t. We see this v equal to u plus at final velocity. So we substitute in this one. Now what happened? S equal to u plus u, 2u plus at, that is 2u plus at by 2 into t. Okay, now what happen? S equal to 2u by 2 plus at by 2 into t. Now 2 will get cancelled, u plus in this half at into t. Okay, students. Okay, S equal to 2u plus at by 2 into t. S equal to 2u by 2 plus at by 2 into t. Now S equal to u plus half at into t. So we have to write, multiply with t, ut plus half a, this t into t square. We'll get the second proof. Okay, so second proof, S equal to ut plus half at square. Now third one, the third one is, what is third one? V square minus u square equal to 2as. V square minus u square equal to 2as. Okay, so in this we have to take both 1 and 2 formulas. Okay, so we know that in this acceleration a equal to v minus u by t. Now cross multiplication, at equal to v minus u. V minus u. Okay, this is the first equation. And also we have to take second one. In this displacement, S equal to u plus v by 2 into t. So write, and also S equal to u plus v by 2 into t. What happened? Again cross multiplication is there. 2s equal to u plus v into t. Okay, and this t will be move this side, that is 2s by t equal to u plus v. This is for second one. Okay students, now we multiply both 1 and 2, will get the third proof. Let 1 multiple with 2. What happen? 1 LH side at, and in this side second LH side 2s by t equal to, and right hand side v plus u in this v plus u, and in this v minus u. Okay, in this we cancel t. What happen? We'll get a into 2s, that is 2as equal to, okay, 2as equal to, and v plus u into v minus u. This is for formula a plus b into a minus b formula. In mass a plus b into a minus b, what happened? A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So in this we have to write a square minus b square means v square minus u square. Okay, so what happened? We have to write v square minus u square equal to 2as. This is the third proof. Okay students, in this we discuss 3 equations of motion proof. Okay.